Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for coming in our presentation today. It's great to see you all. I will introduce myself and my two friends. I am Eka Balkis Nur Cahyani with NIM 21, and my two friends are Rizky Ardian Wicaksono with NIM 33 and Saptiana Nur Prahasti with NIM 34. In this presentation, we will discuss about sensor and transducer. Well, let's start this presentation. Next. The development of industrial automation from work using human hands, then switches to using machine, then with semi-automatics, and now it has used full automatic. Any model used in automation system in industry largely depends on the reliability of the control used. The results so that no matter how sophisticated the control system used will depend on the sensor and transducer used. Next. Sense of sensor. Sensor can be analog to a pair of human eyes that are in charge of reading or detecting data around them. A sensor is a device that serves to detect symptom or signal derived from change in electrical energy, physical energy, chemical energy, biological energy, mechanical energy, and so on. Example include the camera as a vision sensor, the ear as a hearing sensor, the skin as a touch. Sensors themselves are classified into two types, namely active sensor and passive sensors. An active sensor is a sensor that detects the reflection of electromagnetic radiation from an artificial energy source that has usually been designed in a circuit that uses a sensor. While passive sensors are sensors that detect electromagnetic radiation response from objects that have been emitted from natural source. Next. Type of sensor. Sensor proximity, temperature sensor, speed sensor or RPM, range sensor, encoder sensor, pressure sensor, ultrasonic sensor, and magnetic sensor. Next.
Function and benefit of sensor. The function of sensor is general is to detect change in the physical or chemical environment and can be used to convert a certain quantity into analog units so that it can be read by an electronic circuit. Also in the field of medical support such as laboratory equipment, because the sensors serve to replace the duties of human who are very limited, we can design a USG or baby incubator and so on by using sensor. Next. Sense of transducer. Transducer comes from the word transduce in another language, which means to change, so that the transducer can be defined as a device that can convert an energy to another form of energy. A transducer is a device that converts one form of power into another for a variety of purposes, including resizing or information. A common example is loudspeaker, which convert a variety of electrical voltage into in the form of music into mechanical vibration. Transducers themselves are classified into two types, namely active transducer and passive transducer. An active transducer is one of the types of device that can be used to convert certain non-electrical energy into electricity, while the passive transducer is a type of device that can be used to convert certain non-electrical energy into electricity with external power. Next. The type of transducer, transducer electromagnetic, transducer electrochemical, transducer electromechanical, transducer electroacoustic, transducer electro-optical, and transducer thermoelectric. Next. The function and benefits of transducer. The electric transducer serves to change the physical, mechanical, or optical quantities to be transferred directly and convert into an electric magnitude in the form of a voltage or current comparable to the measured magnitude. Important parameters for assessing the capabilities of transducer are linearity, repetition properties, resolution, and reliability. Next.
Classification sensor and transducer. Sensor and transducer themselves are classified into two types, namely first active sensor and second passive sensor. Active sensor and transducer are sensor and transducer that can convert directly from energy from non-electrical energy into electrical energy that work based on principle of power control. Active sensor and transducer require external power assistance. And passive sensor and transducer are sensor and transducer that can convert directly from energy from not electrical energy into electrical energy. The sensor and transducer are usually packaged in one package consisting of element as detector and a mean of converting energy with non-electrical quantity into electrical energy. Conclusion: a sensor is a device that serves to detect symptom or signal derived from change in electrical energy, physical energy, chemical energy, biological energy, mechanical energy, and so on. Type of sensor: proximity sensor, temperature sensor, speed sensor, ray sensor, encoder sensor, pressure sensor, ultrasonic sensor, and the last magnetic sensor. A transducer is a device that convert one form of power into another for a variety of purposes, including resizing or information. Type of transducer: transducer electromagnetic, transducer electrochemical, transducer thermoelectric, transducer electro-optical, transducer electroacoustic, transducer electromechanical. Sensor and transducer can be classified into two, namely active sensor transducer and passive sensor transducer. Bibliography: Electronica Tester, April 20 and 22, Teori Sensor dan Transducer Elektronika, and Himatepa UH, Februari 2020, Ragam dan Manfaat Teknologi Sensor. Okay, that's our presentation. Thank you for your attention and thank you for your listening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you will give knowledge about sensor and transducer. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.